Kidding me. Oh! Yeah. Whoa!
This is what we used for our first set of balls. It's much bigger than the balls we made today. These are 1-inch balls. We love balls. I tried to keep them separate so I knew what was what. I made 3 extra jalapeno. They're over to the side. I can tell that's jalapeno. Otherwise, I really can't tell what these are, which is horrible. I have a little bit of raspberry dipping sauce. That's raspberry jam, a little water, a touch of sriracha, and some Mike's Hot Honey. It's got a kick. And I've just got some ketchup. Which one is the hamburger? We know this is jalapeno. Let's try the jalapeno. I wanted them smaller. I could pop this whole thing in my big mouth. Let's dip it in the sauce. Why do they like raspberry with jalapenos? Let's take a bite. Oh, that's good. Oh yeah, that's good. Uh-oh. The jalapenos are spicy, and the dipping sauce is spicy. Mmm. Oh! Wow, that's got a kick. The jalapenos and the raspberry, forget it. I think I can see peppers. I think this is sausage and peppers. Let's just take a bite and see. Oh, it is. Okay. That is so good. What I can tell with the smaller balls, they're hotter. The cheese is more melted with the small balls, and this is delicious. Oh, I could eat a whole plate of sausage, pepper, and onion. This is macaroni. We try the macaroni? You know who suggested this? Macaroni and cheese. Oh! Mmm. Mac and cheese. They're like the shells. The shells mac and cheese. I think this is a pizza ball. Let's find out. Oh, it is! Last time we made this, we only had pepperoni and sauce. I thought adding sausage would help bulk it up a little bit. I need some Diet Coke with this one. I don't have any. Which one is peanut butter and chocolate? Whose idea was peanut butter and chocolate? There were 3 suggestions. There were 3 suggestions for peanut butter and chocolate. Let's do it. Let's take a bite. Maybe it is peanut butter and chocolate. Oh! Oh, it's thick. Oh. 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 There's too much peanut butter. Oh, it's gloggy. Chocolate. Oh, that's better. Too much peanut butter, though. It's gloggy. Whoa. Oh, are you kidding me? That's a sign. I dropped it. Could this be a cheeseburger? Could we be so lucky to have all? I tried to separate them. This might be a cheeseburger. I hope it's not peanut butter. Oh! Oh, it's peanut butter. Oh. I'm sorry. Too much peanut butter. It's really, really globby. I'm going to set this aside. That's jalapeno. This might be hamburger. Let's see if this is hamburger. Oh, it is! Let's dip it in some ketchup. American cheese. I like that one. Okay. The worst of the bunch is the peanut butter and chocolate. Maybe because there's just too much peanut butter. Unfortunately. Did like the hit of chocolate, though. Thanks for joining me this Sunday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say?
Calling Dr. Howard. Calling Dr. Fine. Calling Dr. Howard. Calling Dr. Fine.